Today I'm going to show you how you can maximize your course requirements and keep your course load down by selecting courses that fill your general education outcomes in multiple areas. Dr. Johnson has sent you a copy of your matrix, which will look something similar to this, that has the courses that you've already taken on there and the spots that need to be filled in order to fill your requirements. She has also sent you a copy of the course inventory, and you'll need this to help you pick out gaps missing in your curriculum for certain areas. The first step you need to do is to go to your department for what the requirements are, and I use nursing as an example. And you need to make sure that specific course requirements are met. If you see something down here that needs to be met, such as micro 1131, that'd be bio 1131 under microbiology, then you need to register for that. And when you log into Banner and you go to registration, you'll be able to look up that course by its course number, which is this one right here, bio 1131. And you know how to register for that already, but one thing you need to pay attention to is the attributes. Under the attributes, it'll tell you what section this satisfies. The micro 1131 satisfies general education. When selecting courses beyond your nursing degree requirements or your other degree requirements, keep an eye on the attributes, because the ones that have multiple attributes are the ones that satisfies more areas per class. So for example, this Science, Ethics, and Controversies class satisfies the general education, ethics and morals, reasoning, and also oral communications. That's 2 sections filled with 1 class, and that minimizes the amount of class time you have to take. So after you have picked out what core classes and specific classes that you need for your major, you need to look at your matrix. And on your matrix, you'll see, for example, here there's several sections that need to be filled under. They can be filled under the natural sciences, scientific literacy. There's 1 spot left next to natural sciences, and there's 2 courses required under there. So you're going to need to select another scientific literacy course. Now, if you're able to select one that satisfies 2 different areas, such as one that satisfies your literacy and your social behavior or something of the like, then that's 1 course you can take for 2 sections. So that will keep you from having to add on extra hours to your course load. So if you notice that you need a class that fills a certain area, this is where you need to look on the spreadsheet that Dr. Johnson sent you. Now, on the spreadsheet, it has all the general education courses inventory that you need, and to be able to sort this, you're going to click on the general education learning outcome, deselect the select all option, and then select what category you want. For example, we'll select information literacy. Look at your course list here, find out which ones satisfy more than 1 area. If you choose say the Education, Culture, and Society, EDU 2334, then it satisfies social behavior science and diversity. So that'll fill up 2 places. So you need to pay attention to the ones that satisfy multiple places. Whenever you pick a class that you want, you need to pencil it in to the category that it's under. So if you found a class that satisfies your scientific literacy, you need to pencil it under there, and also if it also satisfies a curricular theme, you need to place it under there as well, pencil it in under there. We'll use the EDU 2334 as an example. It satisfies social behavior science and diversity. So under your matrix, you will look for social behavior science, So that's another credit hour you can put there. But it also satisfies your diversity as well, so you'll pencil it under there as well. Once you have your courses penciled in, make sure you have an appointment with Dr. Johnson, and if you have any questions in the meantime before your appointment, please email her.